Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to BreciEmpire. In this video, I will be showing you how to sew down a lace frontal. So just keep on watching and see what I'm doing, okay? And enjoy the music. See you later. So all what I'm doing all through is passing the needle through the lace frontal and the mesh down cap, repeating all the same till the end of the lace frontal. So if you've watched till this moment, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I load up a video. Yeah, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.